This is the Mojo 68. The Mojo 68 is a custom programmable mechanical keyboard available in several different colorways. This one right here, however, is rather unique, with a transparent chassis and keycaps with a sort of off-white vibes. The Mojo 68 is a gasket mounted keyboard with sound dampening foam. It's hot swappable and has south-facing RGB lighting, which look absolutely amazing. You can connect up to 8 different devices via USB Type-C, Bluetooth, or the supplied USB dongle, and it's compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux, as well as Android and iOS devices. The gasket mounted design and sound dampening foam make this an absolute joy to type with. Here's a quick sound test.